In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add live chat to your WordPress website without using a plugin. This simple method can be completed in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. To start things off, head over to wordpress.com. Once you are there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner. Click on that and you'll be redirected to the login page. If you have a Google account, you can streamline this process by selecting Continue with Google. Simply click on that option and you'll be prompted to choose which of your Google accounts you'd like to use to log in. Now that you're logged into WordPress, look to the right panel under the Quick Links section. Here, you'll discover an Edit Site option, which is where we're headed next. Click on that and you'll see a list of your websites. Select the website where you want to add the live chat function. Once you're on your website's editing page, navigate to the top right corner and you'll notice an Add button. Clicking this will offer several options. In the search box that appears, type in HTML. This will bring up a custom HTML option. Select it and you'll be presented with an area to input your own HTML code. Here comes a critical step. To add live chat functionality, you need to paste a widget code from a service like Airflow or Talk2 into this HTML section. These services provide live chat solutions that are compatible with WordPress. Go ahead and paste your code here. It's crucial to note, however, that WordPress may restrict the use of some codes if you're on a free plan. Should you encounter any issues, upgrading to a premium plan might be necessary to utilize certain features. After pasting your widget code, your last step is to click Save to ensure your additions are preserved. Once saved, your live chat will be visible on the website, allowing visitors to engage directly with you or your customer service team. This process is a straightforward way to enhance your website's interactivity without cluttering it with numerous plugins. With these steps, you've added a vital feature that can improve visitor engagement and potentially lead to higher conversion rates. If you have more questions about optimizing your site or other features you can implement, feel free to explore further tutorials. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.